What I love the most about drawing characters is that it gives me a chance to channel all sorts of different emotions through them. My name is Jana Bogac and I'm an illustrator and a comic book artist. In today's class, I'm going to show you how to create a character illustration using a combination of digital and traditional media, specifically using Photoshop, ink, and watercolor. I'm really excited to share my process with you because I've spent many years perfecting it. I think starting the process digitally and sketching in Photoshop creates a really solid foundation. Using traditional media, on the other hand, requires a lot of instant commitment where it's really difficult to fix something. So you have to kind of develop a skill to learn how to just work with the mistakes that you make, and sometimes those little mistakes are what make the drawing a lot more spontaneous and fun to look at. In today's class, I'll be sharing my whole process with you, starting with the very first step of doing warm-up sketches and finishing with scanning the drawing and doing finishing touches in Photoshop. Then I'll print it out and use a light box to transfer the sketch onto watercolor paper. The next step is inking the drawing, and the last step is putting in color with watercolors. There's something really satisfying about holding a finished artwork in your hands and being able to look at it from different angles. And I hope that you can follow this process so that you can experience that as well. Please post your artwork into the project gallery because I'd love to see what you come up with. I'm super excited that you decided to join my class. Let's get started.